Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today's video will be very suitable for beginners. We'll be learning Hebrew through short sentences with easy vocabulary. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To say, I am excited. As a male, say, אני מתרגש. אני מתרגש. To say, I want to say something. As a male, say, אני רוצה להגיד משהו. אני, I, רוצה, want, להגיד, to say, משהו, something. To say, he succeeds in running fast. Say, הוא מצליח לרוץ מהר. הוא, he, מצליח, succeeds, לרוץ, to run, מהר, fast. To say, I'm holding a bag in my hand. As a male, say, אני מחזיק שקית ביד. אני, I, מחזיק, am holding, שקית, a bag, ביד, in the hand. To say, he is looking for mushrooms in the forest. Say, הוא מחפש פטריות ביער. הוא, he, מחפש, is looking for פטריות, mushrooms, ביער, in the forest. To say, she's trying to say something. Say, היא מנסה להגיד משהו. He, she, מנסה, is trying, להגיד, to say, משהו, something. To say, he is losing concentration. Say, הוא מאבד ריכוז. הוא, he, מאבד, is losing, ריכוז, concentration. To say, she agrees with me. Say, היא מסכימה איתי. He, she, מסכימה, agrees, איתי, with me. To say, he's comparing between them. Say, הוא משווה ביניהם. הוא, he, משווה, is comparing, ביניהם, between them. To say, I understand that. As a male, say, אני מבין את זה. אני, I, מבין, understand, את זה, זה, that. To say, she is teaching them. Say, היא מלמדת אותם. He, she, מלמדת, is teaching, אותם, them. To say, he tells a story. Say, הוא מספר סיפור. הוא, he, מספר, tells, סיפור, a story. To say, I'm taking care of the animals. As a female, say, אני מטפלת בחיות. אני, I, מטפלת, am taking care, בחיות, of the animals. To say, she is building a fence. Say, היא בונה גדר. He, she, בונה, is building, גדר, a fence. To say, he is playing basketball. Say, הוא משחק כדורסל, basketball. To say, I'm watching the news. As a male, say, אני צופה בחדשות. אני, I, צופה, am watching, בחדשות, at the news. To say, she is sitting down. Say, היא מתיישבת. He, she, מתיישבת, is sitting down. To say he wants to go, say הוא רוצה ללכת. he רוצה, wants, ללכת, to go. To say I'm painting landscapes as a female, say אני מציירת נופים. I מציירת am painting נופים, landscapes. To say she is walking on the beach, say היא הולכת על החוף. she, הולכת is walking על, on, החוף, the beach. To say he is baking a cake, say הוא אופה עוגה. he, אופה is baking עוגה, a cake. To say I'm playing with the dog, as a male, say אני משחק עם הכלב. I, משחק am playing עם, with, הכלב, the dog. To say I'm playing with the cat, as a female, say אני משחקת עם החתול. I, משחקת am playing עם, with, החתול, the cat. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments below if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות!